Sure, here's a 400-word script about the 1995 Honda Civic, perfect for a YouTube video, short documentary, or even a car enthusiast podcast. Intro: upbeat music fades in, narrator. Voiceover: when you think of the golden age of compact Japanese cars, one name always rises to the top, the Honda Civic, and in 1995, Honda delivered what would become one of the most iconic versions of this legendary idea, the 1995 Honda Civic. Cut to shots of the Civic driving through a suburban street, engine revving softly, narrator. The 1995 Civic belongs to the fifth generation, known internally as the EG/A/Edge series. It was everything Honda fans loved: a lightweight, fuel-efficient, and built with legendary reliability. But it wasn't just about getting from A to B. This Civic had something special: soul. Cut to interior shots: A-dash, steering wheel, manual shifter, narrator. With a clean, functional interior, the Civic didn't scream luxury, but it didn't have to. It was practical, affordable, and well-designed. Options included a basic CX trim, the slightly upgraded DX, and of course, the performance-minded X and C models, which came with tech engines that enthusiasts still chase today. SFX, tech kicking in a brief engine roar, narrator. Under the hood, the 1995 Civic offered several engine choices. The most famous, the 1.6-liter tech engine in the X and C trims, delivering a modest 125 horsepower, but in a car that barely tipped the scales at 2,400 pounds. It was enough to make driving feel alive. Cut to Civic on a winding road, cornering smoothly, narrator. Handling: pure Honda magic, double wishbone suspension all around, sharp steering, and a manual gearbox that felt tight and direct. It wasn't a sports car, but it didn't need to be. It was nimble, tossable, and fun. Cut to garage scenes: people modifying Civics, adding exhausts, body kits, lowering springs, narrator. And then there's the tuner scene. The 95 Civic became a canvas for a generation of modifiers, swaps, turbos, body kits, you name it. Whether it was track day builds or street cruisers, this Civic could become whatever you wanted it to be. Outro: engine idling softly, Civic drives off into sunset, narrator. 30 years later, the 1995 Honda Civic still holds a special place in car culture. Affordable, reliable, fun, and endlessly customizable. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of an era. Music fades out, a logo or call to action appears. Let me know if you want a specific tone, for example, comedic, cinematic, or technical, or if you need a version tailored for TikTok or Instagram Reels.